Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. I hold in my hand a Bitaxe Gamma 601. The Bitaxe Gamma is capable of mining at 1 terahash, whereas a nerd miner, spark miner, Bitsy miner, NM miner can mine at 1 megahash. This is 1 terahash. Okay. The primary reason for this video is just to make you aware that on my Ko-Fi shop, I am now going to be renting entire machines. Okay, I'm going to be renting this entire Gamma for 1 week for $5. All right. The reason I'm doing this is because there's a lot of you out there that are mining with the nerd miner and NM miners and spark miners and Bitsy miners and stuff, and you want to elevate your game up from 1 megahash to 1 terahash. You can rent this machine for 1 week just so you can get your feet wet to see if you want to actually do that. Okay, other than going out and immediately just spending, you know, $80 to $150 for a device that possibly you really don't want to do it. All right. And you're out the 80 or 150 bucks. So what I'm going to be doing, it's on my Ko-Fi shop. I've got one available right now. It's going to mine for a total of 7 days, 168 hours on a solo pool. I'm going to show you the pool. And all it's required of you is you got to give me your DigiByte address and whatever you want to name your miner. Okay? Then I'm going to hook you up with the all the information that you need to watch your miner mine for a week on the solo pool. Okay? Now, within that week's time, you could possibly hit a block and it will pay out 280 DigiByte coins. Okay? And that'll be sent directly to your wallet. Not mine, nobody else's. Alright? It's going to go right to the wallet that you provide me, that address. Okay? And you can watch this thing mine for a week. Alright? With that said, let's get you right over to, I want to bring you first to a Play Store site where you can get your DigiByte wallet. And then I'm going to bring you over to the actual pool where you're going to be mining. Alright? Let me shut this down here, bring this here. So now, what I'm going to require from you to get this working for you is, you may already have a DigiByte wallet, okay? But it works best if you have what is called a BEC 32 DigiByte wallet. That's the wallet with the lowercase d. It says DGB1, okay? And you can get that at Coinomi, all right? This will work on Androids. I'm not sure if it's for an iPhone. But anyways, this is what you really should get. This is a really nice wallet to get yourself a DigiByte wallet address so you can give it to me, and that way I can put it onto your machine and mine for a week. Alright, so now let's go over to, right now, this is the rental that I have available. It's mining right now. Okay, I just moved it to its permanent spot. It's only been running for 2.5 hours now. It's mining at 1.5 terahashes, and that is on its default settings. Now that's the other thing, guys. When you rent this for the week, I am not going to overclock it. It is going to be set on the default settings, and that is like it's 525. On the frequency, and the power is at 600, I believe. Those are the defaults. Alright? These are capable of hitting blocks. Alright, I haven't been really on this for a couple of months, so let me just go back. Let's just go from here. Alright, so right here I had 3 of them running, and each one of them did hit a block. BA3 hit a block, BA2 hit a block, and BA1 hit a block. Okay? I just call it Bitaxe. So these are capable of obtaining a block. Alright? So this is the pool where you're going to be mining at. Is Solo Miner. Okay? DigiByte Stratum Solo Miner .net, and your port is 3333. Okay? So again, I'm going to need your DigiByte address and a name, okay, that you want to name your worker. And all you would have to do is put in your DigiByte address here, hit My Workers, and it'll show your worker right here for the entire week. All right? So let me come back and I'm going to talk my way out. All right, guys. So that's the nice part of it, is there are other companies out there that rent hashing power. They don't rent entire miners like that. This is going to be your miner for a week. I'm going to pay the power and everything else, my internet, and it's going to have really good internet service on it because I have fiber here, and you're going to be running on fiber. Okay. Now again, let me just back up a little bit. You're going to be able, you know, you're renting from a face. You're renting from an actual voice talking person. You're not renting from a hashing pool where you're in there with 1,000 other people. Okay, you actually got physical, you know, communication with me. You can message me right through Ko-Fi, and we can talk back and forth if you have any questions, comments of what's going on with your miner for the week. And I think it's going to be a really fun project, guys. Especially for $5, you get a miner for a week for $5. Where else can you do that? All right, guys. Questions, comments, leave it down below, and I'll see you on the next one.